Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today we are going to learn about how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. VLOOKUP is a powerful function used to search for specific information in a table and retrieve its corresponding data from another column. Let's start by understanding the syntax of VLOOKUP. The syntax for VLOOKUP is quite straightforward. It consists of four parts. VLOOKUP function is the value you want to search for. This table array is the range of cells where you want to perform the lookup. Column index number is the column number in the table from which the matching value will be retrieved. And this range lookup parameter determines if you want an exact match or an approximate match. In case of exact match, we'll use false, and for approximate match, we'll use true. Now let's go for an example. Suppose we have a table containing a list of cars and their corresponding prices. We want to find the price of a specific car. Here, we can use this VLOOKUP to do that. Enter the car name here in this cell, that is E5. Now use the formula here, type VLOOKUP, and you got the suggestion from Excel itself. Now select the lookup value, which is the value contained in E5 cell. In our case, it is 4. Specify the table array. Let's select the entire table. Now put the column index number. In our case, we will select C column as it contains the price of these cars and its column number is 3. So we put 3 here. And at last, set the range lookup as false as we want an exact match. Now press enter. And there you have it. The VLOOKUP function searches for the car name in the table and retrieves corresponding price. Similarly, let's change the car name to Kia. Now we can see it's showing Kia's price. That's how you can create the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Practice VLOOKUP with different examples to become master of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.